There's an entrepreneur out there who recently crossed a wild milestone. Last month, his AI business has generated over $480,000 in revenue. What makes it even more impressive? Just 2 years ago, he was making zero from AI. No income, no team, no systems, just an idea, and a whole lot of figuring things out. Now, this isn't some overnight success story. He didn't blow up from one viral video or get lucky with a trending app. What he did was way more strategic and honestly, way more replicable. He found 13 specific AI tools, and instead of treating them like shiny toys, he built real systems around them. He used them to automate workflows, scale his team, boost productivity, and grow across multiple businesses. And today, I'm breaking that down for you. Not just what the tools are, but how he used them inside. Number 1, his AI automation agency. Number 2, his education and training business. Number 3, his SaaS company. Number 4, the content engine powering everything. These aren't affiliate links or sponsored recommendations. These are real tools delivering real results. If you're trying to use AI to build your business, this is the kind of playbook you want to see. Let's get into it. Number 1, prompt the hue. This one became the foundation of how his agency delivers consistent results. It's a prompt engineering IDE, basically a workspace that lets his team write, test, and refine AI prompts like real developers. Before this, his team had no unified process. Some were winging it, some were overly rigid. Now, everyone follows the same system. They break prompts into chunks, test them fast, and ship consistent outputs every time. Number 2, Cursor, an AI-powered code editor that made his dev team 2-3x faster. They can type what they want in plain English, and Cursor writes the code, tests it, and suggests improvements instantly. It turned dev work into something way more agile and saved serious time and money across every project. Number 3, Vappy. He used this to automate hiring at scale. Instead of manually reviewing thousands of job applications, applicants call a voice agent built with Vappy, answer questions, and the system transcribes everything. From there, his team filters and shortlists candidates without wasting days on screening calls. Number 4, Google Gemini. Deep research behind his new consulting division. He used it to generate full AI audit reports for enterprise clients, like one making over $200 million per year. Gemini pulls info from over 150 sources, analyzes it with multi-step reasoning, and delivers ready-to-send reports in minutes. This part of his business focused on teaching others how to build and scale AI businesses through an accelerator program and a free educational community. Lots of moving pieces. Coaching calls, daily team huddles, sales calls, feedback loops, tracking what's working in the market, and constantly organizing all that insight. To run it cleanly, 2 tools were absolutely essential. Number 5, Fireflies. This tool became the brain behind his entire call-based workflow. Every coaching session, every sales call, every internal team check-in, it all got automatically recorded and transcribed through Fireflies. But it didn't stop there. The real magic? Fireflies let his team instantly search through transcripts, spot objections, identify key phrases, and pull out high-signal insights without listening to hours of recordings. Let's say a sales manager wanted to see how often price objections came up one search, and they had the exact timestamps. It gave his sales and coaching team the power to review smarter, not harder. This meant better coaching, tighter funnels, and more responsive customer interactions at scale. Number 6, Airtable AI. This tool handled everything behind the scenes when it came to organizing insights and industry research. First, he used it to build a dynamic solutions database, a live growing list of the top AI products in the market. Each entry was tagged with info like pricing, use case, business model, and niche. But with Airtable AI, he took it up a level. Instead of manually sorting data, he built prompts that let Airtable automatically categorize tools by type, example, B2B versus B2C, extract patterns from transcripts, label calls with IC tags, objections, and buying signals, summarize conversations across dozens, even hundreds of transcripts. It turned Airtable into a mini research assistant and helped his education team stay data-driven without needing analysts or manual review. Together, Fireflies and Airtable AI helped him create a backend that was scalable, insightful, and totally in sync with the real conversations happening in the business. This business was built on a no-code SaaS platform that let users create and launch their own AI agents without ever touching code. Customer support, chat widgets, internal automations. The platform made it simple. But keeping a SaaS business lean, fast, and effective, that takes precision. And here's how he pulled it off with just 2 tools. Number 7, Cursor. Cursor made sure product development never hit a bottleneck. The dev team could describe what they needed in natural language, and Cursor would write or edit the code, help debug, and even suggest improvements in real time. Fewer blockers, faster testing, cleaner releases. And in SaaS, where users expect constant iteration, this tool helped the team ship faster and smarter without adding headcount or burning out. Number 8. This is what they built and used themselves. They created an AI-powered customer support agent that lived on their site, integrated into Slack, and even replied to questions on WhatsApp. The bot could answer FAQs, help users navigate the product, route messages to the right team member, log all chats automatically. By using their own product daily, they spotted bugs, tested features, and optimized in real-world conditions. It was a constant feedback loop. They didn't just build the tool, they lived in it. That's what kept support lean and the product evolving. Content is what pulled the whole ecosystem together. It drove awareness, built trust, fueled traffic, and created a flywheel that powered every other part of the business. To make content consistently without burning out, he built a smart system around 7 AI tools. Number 9, Claude became his thinking partner. Whether he was drafting a YouTube script, shaping a hook, or trying to untangle a messy idea, Claude helped him clarify, organize, and polish everything. But it wasn't just about grammar, it was about structure, voice, and depth. For writing tasks, he found Claude sharper and more intuitive than other tools. Number 10, Perplexity. This tool handled the research backbone of his content. Perplexity could pull verified stats, sources, quotes, and studies so that any claim he made in a video or post was backed up with real data. Instead of endless Googling, he just dropped in a question, and Perplexity brought the answers, citations included. It helped him build content that wasn't just opinion, it was credible and defensible. Number 11, Recraft. This tool replaced a full-time designer. Whenever he needed icons, illustrations, or clean visuals for a video or slide deck, he turned to Recraft. With one prompt, it could generate graphics that were custom, branded, and instantly usable, cutting down design time from hours to minutes. Number 12, Runway. B-roll matters. Motion keeps viewers engaged. Instead of digging through stock libraries, he used Runway to generate cinematic-style B-roll and animations tailored to his script. Whether it was money counting, someone typing fast, or a stylized product demo, Runway brought scenes to life without ever picking up a camera. Number 13, Replicate. Thumbnail creation used to be painful. Studio shoots, lighting setups, manual edits. Not anymore. He trained an image generation model of himself using Replicate. Now his creative director could just type something like, generate a thumbnail with him pointing at a graph and looking surprised, and boom, it created it. Same lighting, same style, same face, no extra effort. It made thumbnail creation faster, more flexible, and far more scalable. Once the video content was created, the next step was distribution, and that's where these 2 tools took over. Relevance AI turned full-length YouTube videos into LinkedIn posts, tweet threads, emails, and more. Prompt Metuse was used to build precise prompts that powered those repurposing workflows, making sure every output was exactly on band. Together, these tools helped him go from one YouTube video to 20+ content pieces across multiple platforms with almost zero extra effort. So there you have it, 13 AI tools, used strategically, not randomly. They helped one entrepreneur go from zero to over $480,000 per month across multiple business models. And the key wasn't just the tools, it was the systems he built around them. Some saved him time, some let his team move faster, and some completely changed the way his businesses operated. You don't need to start with all 13. Start with one, then another. Build your stack based on where you are. But if you're serious about using AI to grow your income, this is proof it can be done. The blueprint is out there. It's your move. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure you hit the like button. It really helps more people see videos like this. And if you want more deep dives into real AI tools, strategies, and business systems, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I've got a lot more coming. Thanks for watching.